Hello everybody, back to Brandon Hotler. If you're gonna be enjoying this video, press that like button, subscribe, and leave a nice, wonderful comment. And remember, you can follow me on Instagram at Solwolf, official Solwolf. Burping making my stepbrother laugh. What are you eating? Dorito? Oh, Doritos. Thought they were Sim chips at first. Oh, that feels...
Here's my name. Don't wear it out.
No, that's his name.
Dude, you don't look so good.
Yeah, you don't. You're green.
Gross.
Yeah, it is gross. That's what I was trying to do.